Alright, mate. Yeah, let's have a look here. Poly, I think you posted that last night, and then you posted it today again. Yeah, I was sleeping last night. I've got a very busy week actually, so I'm just struggling to keep up with it. And now this, the Binance news today as well. Hopefully that'll all blow over, and hopefully it'll be okay. But it's never, it's never good to get news like that. Nice to see the markets kind of reacting a bit here. So Poly seems to have fairly, well, when I say fairly new, I mean back in October 22, so it's a year ago. Let's look at the yearly candle to start with. The yearly candle looks decent, right? There's nothing wrong with that. It took liquidity and dropped back down, though. That's a slight worry. But often, often that can come back, right, on a new year. That there's nothing wrong with this yet. Okay, normally. I don't think this is going to flip red. There's only 1 month left, 1 month and 10 days left. So, I don't expect too much. It's already got rejected. It's already red here on the month. This is important here because there's only 10 days left. It's red on the month. Now, next month is an important time to be focusing on this, because if that's going to have a green month, it might want to pop up here and take liquidity up in this wick here. Okay, but right now this is unlikely to flip green over the next 10 days. It's having a red consolidation month after this large big up move. It's digesting the move that it already had. The 9-week candle is also red. This is it has 1 month and 10 days left as well into the end of the year, and you can see that it is red. All right, is this going to flip green again? There's a good chance it's going to stay red. The 2-week candle is also red here. See the way this is red here, but there's 11 days left, right? There's a long time left in this. This is red. And a lot of times when it flips red like this, it can stay red. The best moves are, when it opens and flips green. When it opens and basically flips green, small dip and flips green, opens and flips green, flips green, flips green, flips green. These are the best ones. Yes, there's the odd time that it can be deep in the red and flip green, but it's unusual. It did it here once, right? And that wasn't it wasn't the same situation. This was moving up and attempting to break above. This is kind of moving down here now in a consolidation after a big move up. So slightly different situation after a large volume as well. Now, so it's unlikely that this 2-week is going to flip green again. Well, it means that it's probably best to wait this out and wait for a new 2-week candle at the very least. If you want a knife catch, I would be looking for somewhere down here, right? Down in that area, if you're looking to knife catch that. But at this point, it is still red. This is not a strong move on a weekly, and there's 4 days left. It's not a great move. Yes, there can be some bounce. I would like to see a stop onto this level actually. That's a safe place to be buying it. If you can get a stop onto this level, well, then that might be the safe point to be buying it. So there's no point in knife catching this week. I don't think it's risky. I think it's better to be trading in a green candle. You see the way it opened here and flipped and ran? It opened here, flipped green and ran. This is unlikely to flip green. Okay, so there's not going to be too much upside this week. Best to wait until next week at least. The chart is telling us that it likely needs a little bit of patience here on multiple time frames. Even the 3-day is red here, right, and a small bounce. So it's saying at the very least wait for a new 3-day, or wait for a new week, or wait for a new 2-week before that there is some substantial upside. I would like to see a stop hunt of this level. That would get me very interested.